Hey, this is English Explained, and today we're diving into a super useful and casual phrase, good call. It is a quick, friendly way to say, that was a good idea, you made a smart decision, or I agree with that choice. It's packed with approval for someone's judgment, usually after a wise decision or suggestion is made. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. It looks like it's going to rain later. I'm glad we decided to bring umbrellas. Good call. That was a smart idea to bring them. Should we order pizza instead of cooking tonight? Yeah, good call. I'm too tired to cook. I agree. That's a great idea. Let's leave early to avoid traffic. Good call. The roads are pretty clear right now. You made the right decision. It's working out well. I almost deleted that old file, but I decided to save it just in case. Good call. We actually need it for the new project. That was a wise choice. So, where does this approving phrase come from? The term call in this context has its roots in decision-making, particularly in sports, gambling, or business, where making the right call is crucial. Think of a referee making a good call in a game, or a poker player making a good call on a bet. This usage evolved in the mid-20th century to become a general expression of agreement with a sound judgment or suggestion. It's like saying, your judgment was accurate and beneficial. So, when exactly do we use good call? Use it when you want to acknowledge someone's smart decision, confirm a good idea, or express agreement with a suggestion. This phrase is perfect for friendly, casual conversations and adds a touch of positive affirmation. It's a fantastic way to show that you appreciate someone's insight. While it's generally understood and widely used, remember it's an informal expression, best suited for everyday interactions rather than highly formal settings. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.